Hello, welcome to another Little Pine Education story, Jenny the Brave Mouse. The best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 37, OU and OW. Jenny was a brave mouse. She lived in a house with a scary cat named Ace. Jenny would scout ahead to make sure it was safe. She could not make a sound. One day she went to visit her friend in town. She looked out, and there was Ace, waiting to pounce. She waited an hour, then she snuck out. The lady who lived in the house started to shout, "Mouse, mouse!" Ace chased her back in her hole. He said, "Meow." The next day she saw the lady leave. She knew how she would get out. Jenny put on her yellow blouse. She walked around the edge of the room, but there was Ace, ready to pounce. Ace grabbed Jenny in his mouth. Oh no. But quickly spit her out. She was sour. Jenny put lemon juice on her blouse. She was proud that she was smarter than that old cat. That's the end of another Little Pine Education story. If you would like to find the printed version of this story, you can go to Little Pine Education on Teachers Pay Teachers. See you next time.